how to check the serial number on your iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series and I want to check the serial number accredited to the iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, if you want to check the serial number, you can use the iPhone 12 casing. But if you are away from the iPhone 12 casing and you want to confirm the serial number, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app on your iPhone, locate the general option and click on it. Now, once you selected general, scroll down a bit and click on about. Now, once you click on about, you should see your iPhone serial number here, and you can just press and hold it to copy the serial number. Then, once you copy the serial number, you can then go to Apple website to confirm the model of your iPhone. So basically, with the serial number, you can just confirm whether your iPhone is new or not. So that is basically how to check the serial number on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.